So still haven't used Peter because his wisdom's so low. It's just because of how this is. Like I'm doing outreach with other means and then not using wisdom. So those two add up to 7, and then I need one more person. He's got 2. She's got 2. Whoops. Does that get me high enough actually? So it's 7 plus 2, so it's 9, wasn't it? It's only 10. So we'll do 3. How am I going to acquire such a person? Just need like plus 1 wisdom bonus. They're technically not used yet. Oh, I know what I could do. I can use this guy's power to get an action. Use the action to recover some people. 7 points worth. Whoever's the best. The cook and yeah, and then so recover himself. And the cook, yeah, and that gives us enough, right? Boom. All right, so now, so he had an extra action, which recovered those 2, which now means those 2, now we can use them all, oops, for the action, which gives me to 10, so I can actually rinse out all these sins before they affect me. And that's the end of the go. What I'm going to do... Oh, what I could have done with my free action is send you someone, but I've only got... I'm going to send you these guys at the end of that turn. So you get him and him. I would send you another one, but I don't actually have anybody else.